Python QA. So this time I'm looking for someone who has experience into Python QA. Mostly the experience would be between 5 to 8 years of experience, and the person should have experience into writing solid test cases and test scripts using Python. And if you have the knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript along with the Python frameworks like Django and Flask is an add-on. And yeah, definitely as this is a QA position, so we need the person should be well versed with the QA process. So that means different type of testing, unit testing, automation testing, functional testing, etc. So if in case you guys have all these skills aligned with your experience, then kindly drop your CV to the mentioned mail IDs. Thank you. See you soon.